Hello everyone, here I am with my new video for Mother's Day cards, and I have 3 card designs for Mother's Day, and all are unique, all are really new. You must like them. If you really like, do comment which one of them you like the most, and like, share and subscribe also if you really liked, because this was really a mammoth task for me. So let's start the video. So this is what we require: strips of colored papers and normal sheets, chart papers, Fevicol, pen, sketches, pair of scissors and balloons of different sizes. So now let's start making our cards. Card number 1, we are going to make a very big balloon. So for this we need 2 sheets of same color and one of another and balloons. Now what we have to do is I'm going to tell just in few minutes, but make sure that the balloons must be of different sizes. So now let's start it. Okay, so here I have cut out a balloon shaped figure. We have to cut at least 2 shapes just like this of equal length. Here you go, I've done it. Now this is a simple thing which I have to do is I'll take the balloons below them and put them as in a sequence. The balloons can of any shape, any size, and even you can decorate them if you want. I've just given a 3D look to it. So here you can see I've decorated it. I have made kittens with their tails. So this is my card number 1. Here you can see if they have also their tails hanging out. If you want, you can also. Okay, so now let's move on to our next card. Okay, here we go with card number 2. For this card you need mini sheets, okay? And we are going to make very small cards of different sizes. Okay, so you need different sheets. I've made so many cards over here of different sizes. None of them is same. Now I'm gonna stick them. Now this is just an idea of one card I've drawn, okay? So you can make such cards also. I've added a ribbon also made by myself only. Here you can see I've decorated till now 5 cards. And still many more are left. I've sticked all the cards on one big sheet, which is bigger than all of them. And one card contains 2 cards also. It's not important to write anything inside. If you want, you can. You just have to decorate them all. Okay. So now I have done decorating all of them. It was a mammoth task for me, but I have done it. You can see. You can also add a hanging just behind it. I've cut out small hearts over here of glitter sheet. So now I'm gonna stick it in the places which are left. You can see now it's completed finally. This is my second card, which is really very big. Actually not one card, these are many cards of different styles. Make sure that the card do not resemble to each other. They must be different from each another, okay? This will really give a very artistic look. They are different designs, you can see. All of them are not at all resembling the other one. So finally, let's move on to our next card. Okay, this is card number 3. For this, you need color sheets, a white card sheet, okay? This must be of A3 size. And this is a pink sheet. Now I'm going to tell that we are going to draw a flower on it and cut it. I've just told this in my previous video. You can see the link below in the description box. Now I've folded out many sheets just like that, and I've drawn flowers in all of them so that I can get many flowers at one time. This is one of the flowers. You can see the quantity. I have still not cut out all the. Now I'm gonna cut them all. It's really a very big task, but at one time you can get many flowers if you will do this folding method. and you can even fold it out to give it a 3D look. Now let's stick them on the white sheet. So let's start. First of all, just fold them all so that you can get a 3D look, because it really looks so much beautiful when it's completed. I've done half of them and still half is left. So I'm gonna do it. It's really very difficult task, but the satisfaction is really very good after it. I've drawn polka dots, so stick the strips over there. You can see it's very very cute salt and very catchy also, because it is so bright in color and even so many flowers attract the attention. I hope you liked it. I have also drawn a letter in which I have my feelings regarding my mom. I really love my mom so much. So I have written a letter for her. If you want, you can also write it. I have drawn the paper myself also. Seriously, the color I have given to it. I've also made a bouquet for my mother and I'm gonna give it with these cards. So if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe it. And please help me to reach my target as I have commented it down. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.